A weapon that costs $1,000 can destroy equipment worth millions of dollars. Welcome to the new economics of war. For most of modern history, military power was defined by expensive machines. Nations built aircraft carriers, fighter jets, tanks, and missile systems costing billions of dollars. The logic was simple. Whoever had the most advanced hardware controlled the battlefield. But that equation is now being flipped. Today, small drones costing only a few $1,000s are destroying tanks, ships, and advanced weapons systems worth millions. What once required sophisticated air forces can now be done with a cheap drone equipped with a camera and a small explosive payload. This shift has created what analysts often call the $1,000 versus $1 million war. A modern fighter jet can cost between $80 million and $100 million. Tanks typically cost $5 to $10 million each, and advanced air defense systems can reach hundreds of millions. Yet the drones used to threaten or destroy these assets can cost less than a used car. And drones don't just target vehicles. They can disable radar systems, attack ships, and hit critical infrastructure. When deployed in swarms, cheap drones can overwhelm defense systems designed to stop traditional missiles or aircraft. The result is a shift in how wars are fought. Modern battlefields are filled with thousands of small, distributed systems. Cheap drones can be launched quickly, replaced easily, and deployed in large numbers. For defenders, this creates a serious economic challenge. In many cases, a $500,000 interceptor missile might be used to shoot down a drone that costs only $5,000. When hundreds of drones are launched at once, even advanced defenses can struggle to keep up. This reality is forcing militaries around the world to rethink strategy. Countries are investing heavily in counter-drone technologies, such as electronic jamming, laser weapons, AI-powered detection systems, and automated defenses designed to stop drone swarms. At the same time, militaries are rapidly expanding their own drone fleets, recognizing that inexpensive autonomous systems may become one of the most powerful tools on future battlefields. The implications are enormous. In the past, only wealthy nations could afford the technology needed to project military power. Now, smaller countries and even non-state groups can access weapons capable of challenging traditional military dominance. The battlefield is no longer just about who has the biggest army or the most expensive equipment. Because in the end, wars are not only fought on battlefields, they're also fought on balance sheets. And right now, one of the biggest questions military planners are asking is this: can you win a war if every defense costs more than the attack?